Okay, so anyway, what we have here are these little bad boys, and all these little rivet things have to go in these little holes. Okay, and they've got little screws to go with them. The screws don't like. Yeah, just a second. Then I come out of the package. There we go. Anyway, got a little workstation here. They don't have to be completely screwed together, but you see that's how this is attached to the corset leather. Okay, with that screw thing right there. Okay. And these things would have been a complete booger to work with if a person didn't have a drill press to press out these things. Okay. Here's one. All right. That's what we call piecework. And you'd be amazed how much stuff is done by hand these days, and it's tedious. It seems tedious or whatever, but it's actually kind of fun to be industrious like this and get this kind of stuff done. This is going to a very special person in my life, and I want to make sure that it's taken care of properly. Now you wonder why we brought the anvil in here? It's because we actually have to use the anvil in order to get some of these things in here. A tinkerer's anvil. So there we go. Actually, I should take that one out and do it right. I got to re-drill that one. I'll set this off to the side. I did a lot of stuff like this in the Army. I was a communications technician, and it's a lot of radio repair, things like that, and it all involved little nuts and bolts like this. Oh, we're going to have to drill that one out too. No, I don't think I'll have to drill these out. Just when I pound them in there like that, they don't like to screw together anymore. Okay, yeah, that one is going to go in there good. Oh yeah, she'll work just fine. So will this one. That worked just fine. Didn't think there'd be this much work involved in assembling 4 clasps, did you? Yeah. Well, that's what I can do. Oops, wrong one. And we dropped one, but it's somewhere around here. I'm not worried about it. We're done with these screws. Now we got to find out if these clasps, these little latch locks, actually work anymore. This thing. Yep, they still work. Okay. See, it goes like that. There it is. Okay. Just like that. Yeah, they'll still work. Got to make sure the tolerance is correct on these and all that. There we go. Box clasps, is what they're called. Heck yeah, there we go. They're ready to go on to a corset. Right there. So there we go.